This is the first time I've had the engine cover off this motorhome. I've changed the oil and stuff from underneath, but I've never had the cover off. And this thing is packed full. I don't know if this will pick it up or not, but it's packed full of rat droppings. It's just a miracle. It's just a miracle that the wires haven't been eaten up on this thing. It runs excellent, so there can't be any chewed ignition wires or injector wires. I don't see any other wires chewed up. But I brought the vacuum down here today. I'm gonna try to clean some of these out. I guess they don't really hurt anything, but it looks bad. I've got to get this home before my wife realizes I've got it. That's a lot of rat turds. This is at 498 cubic inch. I think it's the last design of the big block Chevrolet. I think the block and heads are fairly conventional, what I'm used to, but the fuel injection and intake and coil packs, it's kind of, the coil packs and stuff remind me of an LS based engine, but everything looks pretty good under here. These are the same engines that were used in the Kodiak 5500s, and I think they can go 300,000 without a rebuild if you take care of them. So I'm hoping we don't ever have to tear into this one. And this thing got lots of power, and I hear people complaining about the noise on the V10s. I've never really ridden in a V10 Ford before, but this thing here is quiet. I can feel a little bit of heat coming through the floor here. I was trying to drive barefooted the other day, and it was kind of hot on the bottom of my feet, so I had to put my shoes back on. But other than that, the quietness is real nice. I guess I can add a little bit more insulation to this floorboard. Maybe help the heat situation. wasn't sure how many fasteners held this cover on, but it just got one latch in the back and then it kind of snaps in up there. So that'll keep everything out of here. So I'm gonna go pick up my grandson from school. I may come back later this evening, maybe after it cools off a little bit, because it's awful hot. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. We'll talk to everybody later. Bye.